before midday.
Okay.
Tomorrow. Can we start listening to music immediately and cleaning the house, bathing ourselves, or the like?
Okay, so here's so you asked the questions. So usually, so since it's exceptional situation, because tomorrow is Erev Shabbos, so usually all of the things like taking haircuts, listen to the music, we would allow only after the chatzos, after the midday. But since it is for preparation of Shabbos, if it's for preparation of Shabbos, so you would be allowed to do it in the morning. For example, you want to do laundry, so you don't have clean clothing for Shabbos. Okay, there is no problem. You can do laundry. You don't have to count only one shirt for Shabbos. You can wash, I don't know, 7 shirts. That does not make any difference, right? And you take a haircut, you somebody who shave, there is no problem before chatzos. But all other things like optional. So I mean, for example, eating meat, drinking wine. Of course, I hope people don't drink wine during the day. But if like for medicinal reasons, for example, right, or they need meat for strength, there is no problem. But only after chatzos, after the midday, whatever midday is. In your location. In my location, it's like I don't remember. I don't want to say, I don't remember. 117 or something. So, and music is after chatzos, but cleaning the house is actually, it was allowed that there is a custom. What is this book? I learned it today in my class. Eliyahu Kitov, it's an amazing book, a book of our heritage, if you can see it, book of our heritage. So there is a custom that we start cleaning our houses after Chatzos, right? After midday, so it's like preparing for coming of Mashiach. So that's it says that Mashiach is going to be born on Tisha B'Av, right? Or was born on Tisha B'Av. And it's like after the Tisha B'Av, it might come, right? So we're allowed to clean our houses, and actually, my wife asked me if she is allowed to wash vegetables or something, or whatever she was washing. So there is no problem, even though there is no washing like taking shower or something, like even washing our hands, right? For pleasure, if your hands got dirty for something, you're allowed to wash. There is no problem. There is no prohibition. Right, so and if you washing something like you for cooking, there is no problem. It's not you washing for pleasure. You're washing for because you need to cook, or for example, you're washing for somebody who is not allowed to fast. So forget about chatzos. Even early in the day, when the person eats breakfast, so you're allowed to prepare breakfast for them. Okay. What else? Any other questions?
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.